Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. Bonjour Cathy, bonjour Patrick, bonjour tout le monde. J'espère que vous avez passé un très très bon Thanksgiving. J'espère que c'était bien et c'était bon. Aujourd'hui, nous continuons la lecture de Tintin. So we are going on with the reading of Tintin now. I can tell you we are still, how many was it? 25 people reading with me. 25, and maybe I will lose some people today because there's quite a lot of text. And normally, when people read comics like Tintin, they don't want so much text. So I hope you guys, you will keep going and you will keep reading with me. I have my cup of coffee. I hope you have something to drink. And there we go. Remember that this guy here, he wanted to have Tintin arrested. So the chief of the police, he says, votre idée est excellente. Your idea is excellent. Reste à voir si le chef de la police sera d'accord. Well, remains to see if the chief of the police will agree. So, sera comes from the verb to be, hein, être, will agree, and être d'accord in French means to agree. Oh, je réponds de lui, général. Well, I can, well, je réponds de lui really means I can guarantee he will be behind me. I can respond for him, but I don't think that's the way you say it in English. But so he has something to show. So he says, voyez plutôt. Just see rather, and then he has this little paper which says that Dawson, the chief of the police, it's hard to read, international, reconnaît, he recognizes to owe. It's the verb devoir. Yeah, I admit it's really hard to read. And so I owe to Mr. Mitsui Hiratu the sum of $10,700. So the chief of the police owes Mitsuhirato so much money, so many dollars. And so that's why he says, well, I can obtain something from him. Okay, très bien. That's very well. Le lendemain, the next day, Monsieur Mitsuhirato, c'est bien qu'il entre. Very well, let him enter. And so there he is, meeting the chief of the police. Bonjour, cher monsieur. Hello, dear sir. Quel bon vent vous amène? Which good wind brings you to me? So why are you here? Well, you can see there is a lot of text. Really sorry. Je viens vous demander un service. I come to ask you a service, or maybe we could say a favor. Un service en échange duquel si vous consentiez à me le rendre, je vous tiendrai quitte de la petite somme que vous me devez encore. So, I come to ask you, that we translated already, I come to ask you a favor in exchange of which, if you consent to give it to me, I would quit you of the small sum that you still owe me. And so, devez, it's the verb devoir. It means to must, to have to, but it also means to owe. So, if you do me this favor, you don't have to pay me. So then the chief of the police, he says, de quoi s'agit-il? What is it about? Voici, here it is. Tintin se trouve à Oukou en ce moment. So Tintin finds himself, he is in Oukou at this moment. Eh bien, je voudrais que vous le fassiez arrêter. And well, I would like you to have him arrested. Fassiez, watch out, is coming from the verb faire. Hein? To have arrested is faire arrêter. L'arrêter? To arrest him. À Oukou, in Oukou. Mais c'est en territoire chinois. but it is on Chinese territory. Mes pouvoirs, vous le savez, sont limités à la concession internationale. So, mes pouvoirs, we could say my power, you know it, is limited. Well, you see in French it says sont. Mes pouvoirs sont limités because power in French is plural. So my power is limited to the international concession. Bien sûr, mais croyez-vous que la sûreté chinoise vous refuserait l'autorisation de poursuivre un Européen, même en dehors de la concession? For sure. But do you believe that the Chinese sûreté, let's say security service, would refuse to you the authorization to pursue a European, even en dehors, outside the concession? Non, évidemment. No, of course. Mais quel motif invoquer? But which motive or which reason to invoke? Car enfin, Tintin n'a commis aucun crime. Because, well, Tintin has committed not any crime. Aucun means not any crime. Oh, le motif. Oh, the reason. Que sais-je, moi? What do I know? Vous pourriez, par exemple, le soupçonner d'avoir participé à l'enlèvement du professeur Fan Seying. So, you could, for example, suspect him of having participated in the enlèvement is the kidnapping of Professor Fan Seying. C'est une idée, en effet. That's an idea, indeed. Allô, oui, la sûreté chinoise. Hello, yes, the security service, Chinese security service. Bonjour, mon cher collègue. Hello, dear colleague. Comment? How? Fan Seying? Vous avez une piste? You have a trail? Un Européen. A European. Et vous désirez une autorisation pour vos agents? And you desire or you want a authorization for your agents? Très volontiers, cher ami. Very volontiers means with pleasure, my dear friend. C'est fait. It's done. Nous aurons l'autorisation demain matin. We will have the authorization tomorrow morning. Mes hommes partiront immédiatement. My man will leave, again a future tense, immediately. Alors, c'est entendu, vous arrêtez Tintin. So, well, that's settled. You will arrest Tintin. Vous le relâchez. You release him. Faute de preuve. Faute de preuve means, well, by lack of proof. Et par hasard, il tombe entre nos mains. And then, all suddenly, by accident, he is falling between our hands. D'accord, et vous me remettez cette petite dette? Okay, good, and you hold off this small debt, meaning I will not have to pay the money I owe you. And here we see Tintin and his friend Chang and Milou. Uku. So he says, this is Uku. This is the village of Uku. Look, they're coming down the stairs in the rocks. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful scenery. Mon père avait un ami dans cette ville. My father had a friend in this city. Nous irons lui demander l'hospitalité. We will go. Irons, it's the future tense of the verb aller. We will go. And we recognize the Spanish word ir, the verb ir, to go in there. So we will go to ask him hospitality. Mais comment donc? But how? Je suis ravie de pouvoir abriter sous mon toit le fils de mon ami. So I am ravi, I'm delighted to be able to, let's say, to shelter or to give shelter under my roof to the son of my friend. Ah, look who we have there, Dupont and Dupont. So they are going, I think, to arrest or to have to arrest Tintin. Je vous ai donné le mandat d'amener. So I have given you the, what is it? The mandate? No, maybe it's the warrant to bring him. Voici maintenant un sauf-conduit émanant de la sûreté chinoise. Here you have now un sauf-conduit. I think we could say it's like a safe passage coming from the Chinese security. Cela facilitera votre mission. That will facilitate your mission. Okay, so what does it say? Sûreté générale, hein, General Security, ordre aux autorités chinoises de se mettre à la disposition du porteur de la présente et au besoin de lui prêter main forte. So it's an order to the Chinese authorities to se mettre à la disposition. Well, to put themselves at the disposal of the porteur, carrier of this letter, and au besoin, if necessary, if there is the need, to prêter main forte. Main forte means a strong hand. So to give him a strong hand, let's say to lend a hand or to assist. Okay, I hope that's clear. Otherwise, ask me questions. Fichu métier. It's a terrible job. Oui, nous voilà obligés d'arrêter un ami. Yes, here we are forced to arrest a friend. Yes, because Tintin is really their friend. So now they have to arrest Tintin. Il y a encore un train ce soir. There is still a train tonight. Nous avons juste le temps de faire nos préparatifs. We have just the time to make some preparations or yes, like to prepare the trip. Le lendemain, the next day or the following day. Quel métier, mon Dieu! What a job, my God! Toute une nuit dans le train. A whole night in the train. Puis, ce matin, 3 heures de marche. And then, this morning, 3 hours of walking. Enfin, voici Uku. Here is finally Uku. Nous avons bien fait de nous déguiser. We have well done to disguise ourselves. Je te crois. I believe you. But look at this man here. He thinks, oh my God, what a funny, they have funny outfits. But they think they're very well disguised. Imagine-toi l'effet que nous aurions produit dans ce petit patelin si nous étions arrivés ici vêtus à l'européenne. Imagine the effect that it would have produced in this little village if we had arrived here dressed in the European way. But you see, all the people are just staring at them. Oh, Jesus, look at this picture. The whole village is behind them. And so they say, ne te retourne pas tout de suite. Don't turn around immediately. J'ai l'impression que quelqu'un nous suit. I have the impression that someone is following us. But see here, Tintin is there with Chang and Milou, and Tintin recognizes them. He says, oh my God, these are Dupont and Dupont. I think it's a funny picture. So you see, Tintin is calling them, mon Dieu, my God, my God. Eh bien, qu'avez-vous? Well, what do you have? What's wrong? What's happening? Mon pauvre ami, si tu savais. My poor friend, if you knew. Comment te dire? How to tell you? Mais enfin, expliquez-vous. But, well, explain yourselves. Explain what's going on. Qu'y a-t-il? What is there? Regarde, look, un mandat d'arrêt à mon nom, a arrest warrant on my name, et ici, ordre aux autorités chinoises de se mettre à la disposition du porteur de la présente. And here, it's an order to the Chinese authorities to put at the disposal of the carrier of this letter. And what does he say, Tintin? C'est bien, faites ce que vous avez à faire. It's very well. Do what you have to do. Je suis prêt à vous suivre. I'm ready to follow you. And then Tintin is saying goodbye to Chang. Well, this is not a very good scan I made, it's not very clear. I hope you can see. Mon vieux Chang, je suis arrêté. My old friend Chang, I am arrested. Je dois les accompagner. Adieu. I have to accompany them. Adieu. Et maintenant, chez le commissaire de police. And now to the commissioner of the police, maybe the chief or the boss of the police. So they're going to the police. Monsieur le commissaire, nous venons d'arrêter ce jeune homme. Mr. Commissioner, Mr. Chief Officer, we have just arrested this young man. And I hope you remember that the verb here, venons, comes from the verb venir, and it's not only to come, but also means we've just arrested this young man. Voici le papier qui nous autorise à opérer en territoire chinois. Here is the paper who authorizes us to operate on Chinese territory. Eh bien, où est-il? Well, where is it? Dans une autre poche, sans doute. In another pocket, without doubt. Sapristi, pas dans celle-ci non plus. Oh my God, not in this one either. Est-ce que, is it that, mon Dieu, je l'aurais mal remis en poche après l'avoir montré à Tintin. My God, I will have remis, put it back mal, not properly, in my pocket after having montré, shown it to Tintin. Eh bien, ce papier, well, where is the paper? So he's running back really fast. Ouf, quelle chance, le voilà. Ouf, what a chance, how lucky I am, there it is. Le voici, here it is. Je l'ai retrouvé, I found it back. And then the police officer, he's reading the paper and then laughing. They're all surprised. Okay, good. This scan is a little bit better. I'm sorry for the previous page. C'est vrai, j'aurais dû m'en rendre compte immédiatement. It's true. I should have, rendre compte means realize immediately. Que signifie ce rire, commissaire? What does this laugh signify? Yes, or mean? That's what So what does this laugh means, commissioner or police officer? On dirait vraiment qu'il se moque de nous. One would really say that he, se moquer means making fun of, that he's making fun of us. He's laughing and laughing. Que signifie? What it means? Ha 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 ha. Je vais vous rendre ce précieux document. I'm going to rendre, give back this precious document. Et puis, vous vous en irez bien vite. And then you will go away. We have again the verb go. Irez, vous vous en irez. You will go away really quickly. Sans votre prisonnier naturellement. Without your prisoner, naturally or of course. And then they're yelling, c'est honteux, it's a shame. Nous protesterons, we will protest. We still don't know really what's happening, but one of the Duponts says, c'est un scandale, it's a scandal. Vous aurez de nos nouvelles, commissaire. You will have news from us, officer. Ça ne se passera pas ainsi. This will not happen like that. Nous allons immédiatement aviser Shanghai de ces procédés inqualifiables. So we are going immediately to notify, aviser, notify Shanghai of those, let's say, inqualifiables, maybe undescribable procedures. So they're really angry. Quant à vous, jeune homme, vous êtes libre, évidemment. Quant à vous means as far as you're concerned, young man, you are free, of course. Je vous remercie, monsieur le commissaire. I thank you, Mr. Chief Officer. Et voilà, here I am. Libre? Are you free? Libre, oui. Free, yes. Je n'y comprends rien. I don't understand anything. À la vue de leur papier, le commissaire a éclaté de rire et les a fait mettre à la porte. So when he saw, à la vue, at the view, we could say, but when he saw their paper, the officer burst out in laughter and he had them mettre à la porte. Well, what shall I say? He had them throw out or he had them ejected. So mettre à la porte means to throw out or to eject. Tu ne trouves pas cela extraordinaire? Don't you find that extraordinary? Moi, pas du tout. Me, not at all. Car le papier qu'ils ont présenté au commissaire, c'est moi-même qui l'ai écrit. Because the paper that they have presented to the commissioner or to the officer, it is myself who has written it. Voici ce qui s'est passé. Here is what has happened. Le véritable document, the real document, était tombé à terre, had fallen on the floor, on the ground. Après votre départ, je l'ai ramassé. After your departure, I picked it up. Et l'ayant lu, j'ai couru à la maison. And having read it, I have run home, à la maison, home, to my house, home. Là, j'ai pris une feuille de papier de même format. There, I have taken a paper or a sheet of paper of the same format. Et j'y ai écrit ceci. And I have written this. Au cas où vous n'auriez pas remarqué que nous sommes deux fous, en voici la preuve officielle. So, in case you had not noticed, remarqué, that we are two fools, two lunatics, here you have the proof, the official proof. Et j'ai été remettre ce papier à la place où j'avais trouvé l'autre. And I have been putting back this paper at the same place where I had found the other. So it was Chang who did this. Je comprends à présent, Chang. I understand now, Chang. Tu es un véritable ami. You're a true friend, a real friend. Pauvre Dupont et Dupont. Poor Dupont et Dupont. Ne les plains pas, Tintin. Cela leur servira de leçon. So don't, it's not really complain, don't pity them, Tintin. That it serves them as a lesson. So let it be a good lesson to them. Veuillez envoyer ce télégramme à l'adresse du chef de police de la concession internationale à Shanghai. So please send this telegram to the address of the chief of the police of the international concession in Shanghai. Et maintenant à la recherche de Fan Seying. And now let's go and search for Fan Seying. Oui, mais le temps se gâte. Yes, but. And here, le temps is not the time. It could be the time, but here it means the weather. How do I know that? Because he says the weather is getting spoiled. Gâté is spoiled, but it means the weather is becoming really bad. That's what he means because he looks up at the sky. Okay, if you are still here with me now, it means you're really very, very brave. Thank you. And I'm not sure we will be still 10 next time to read because it was a lot of text today. I wish you a very, very happy Tuesday, and I hope to see you back next time next week, and hope there is a little bit less text to be read. Okay, see you soon. Bye.